How you doing? It's Nick here with JTC Auction, coming to you from a warehouse in Hopkins, Minnesota. We sell boxes and truckloads of this type of apparel right here. We have picture boxes where we go through and take pictures of all this apparel and put it in boxes. We have mystery boxes on our website for a lower price point. Again, that website is jtcauctions.com. We just unloaded a truck. This is one of the pallets that came off that truck. It comes in boxes and gaylords. This one we opened up right here because we're doing picture boxes right now and mystery boxes. Yves St. Laurent. This is the first time I've seen this brand show up in this on these pallets from this department store. This is store pulled apparel. It is not all brand new with tag. As you can see, there's no tag on here, but this one actually is damaged. Right here, it's missing the button. This one I'm going to put in box AB1909. If you have any questions about that, send me an email on it. Again, that lot number will be 1909. Sorry, AB1909 is the lot number on it. We'll have pictures of it. Hopefully we find the missing button in the pallet as we go. I'll take down this camera and you can see exactly the other type of apparel that's coming in this pallet right here. But again, so as you're buying a mystery box, if you place an order right now, currently we have no mystery boxes ordered. We've already picked all those lots, so we're making picture boxes right now. It's the same staff that does mystery boxes and picture boxes. So in the Gaylords, picture boxes, you're getting everything that's kind of right on top right here. And then as a mystery box order is placed, you're getting stuff that's right underneath it. Then we go back to picture boxes. So there is no difference really between a mystery box and a picture box as far as what brands you may or may not get. Look through about 20 to 25 picture boxes on the website, and that'll give you a good representation of what you would get in a mystery box. So as far as this Yves St. Laurent damaged shirt, because it's missing the button, again, hopefully we do find the missing button for it, but it's probably broken. On that shirt right there, we're gonna start out the listing at $4 each on our website, same way we do for everything. So that shirt right there is $4, along with whatever else is in there is $4 each. We'll show pictures of that box. If it doesn't sell in the first day or two, we'll move it down to $3 each. Mystery boxes are right now we're on sale for $2.50 each. As far as everything else that we have in our warehouse, we do sell general merchandise truckloads, as you can see behind me. We do sell truckloads of other type of apparel that we do not list on JTC Auctions. So if you are interested in truckloads, send me an email. My contact information's on the website. You can give me a call as well. My email will be in the description of this video. So thanks for watching. Keep on reselling, and hopefully I see you in Las Vegas at the ASD show